Hi, my name is Owen, Chief Inspector here at Estyn. Now in September we launched our summary report of what had been happening in education and training in Wales, and I'm delighted that we're now about to launch our full annual report. In it, in chunks by sector, you'll find hopefully fairly easy to read summaries, but with a bit more detail about how we feel things have gone for each sector over the year. We'll also have summaries of all the thematics we've published, and also some studies we've made into areas we think are interesting, things like the curriculum of course, but also quite hot topics like recruitment within teaching, the Welsh language, self-evaluation and anti-racism. So I hope those are useful to you. As well as that, you'll have my own introduction, giving really my view of how the year has gone, shining a spotlight on some of the best practice we've seen, as we'll see throughout the report, but also highlighting the areas that we all really need to concentrate on to improve. So I hope you find it useful. If it's not, please let us know, and I hope you enjoy reading it. Diolch.